In this week's Tableau Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to create Lollipop charts in Tableau. The data set we're going to be looking at this week contains the average beer price for NFL teams. So to build a Lollipop chart, the first thing I need to do is drag my dimension into the rows. And then I'm going to take pint cost and put that in the columns. So now I have a simple ranking, maybe I can sort this in descending order, of the cost of a pint by team in the NFL. And you can see that the Philadelphia Eagles, my team, are the most expensive team in the NFL with an average pint cost of $11.33. Okay, so I want to make this into a lollipop, so I'm going to just duplicate my pint cost in the column shelf. And I am now going to right click on my second pint cost and make it a dual axis. Okay, the next thing you need to make sure you do is right click on the top axis and choose synchronize. From there, over on the marks card, let's choose the first pint cost and change the mark type to a bar and make the size very thin. I also like to go ahead and color this, maybe make these bars gray. And then on the second pint cost on the marks card, I like to go ahead and force this to be a circle. Even though I could leave it automatic, I like to have a little bit more control. And then I'm going to make the size a little bit bigger. So now I get these nice big lollipops. And I could potentially even add pint cost to the color. Okay, so there we go. So I now have the pint cost for each NFL team. And I'm going to go ahead and hide the header for the second axis. And that's our basic lollipop chart. All right, so let's duplicate this sheet. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the color. And this time, instead of having circles for the ends, I want to go ahead and put beer mugs. So I'm going to change the mark type for my second pint cost to shape. And I've gone ahead and preloaded a shape type for a beer mug. So I'm going to go under my miscellaneous shape type, choose my circle, and then click on the beer mug, and you can see I get a nice little beer mug there. Hit OK, and now I have a beer mug on the end of each lollipop. And maybe I want to make these bigger. Actually, let's go ahead and size the beer mugs by the cost of the pint. And then maybe make them a little bit bigger, make the sizes a little more distinct, something like that. And now you're using a shape on the end of the lollipop instead of a circle. So let's call this our intermediate lollipop. And that's all there is to it. Feel free to download the workbook from the blog and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks and have a great day.